If you're looking to import a quiz in LearnWorlds and want to do it quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do this and also share a quick tip at the end about better alternatives if LearnWorlds isn't quite meeting your needs. Stick around for that. First, head over to your LearnWorlds dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Courses section. This is where you'll manage everything related to your course content, including quizzes. The next thing you need to do is select the course you want to add the quiz to. Now, you'll want to click on the Quizzes tab on the left sidebar. This brings you to the area where you can either create a new quiz or import one. If you're looking to import a quiz, look for the Import option, which is usually located at the top right of the screen. Once you click that, you'll be prompted to upload a file. Most commonly, you'll upload a CSV or Excel file that contains your quiz data. Make sure your file is properly formatted. If it's not, it could cause issues during the upload process. Don't worry though, the LearnWorlds platform does give you a preview of the file, so you can double check that everything looks right before proceeding. Next thing, after the file is uploaded, you'll be prompted to map your quiz questions. This part's important because LearnWorlds needs to know how to correctly display your questions and answers. You'll match the columns from your file to the corresponding fields in LearnWorlds, like the question text, possible answers, and the correct answer. The fourth thing to keep in mind is your quiz settings. You can choose things like the passing grade, quiz attempts, and even how you want results to be shown to your learners. If you have more advanced options, you can also integrate your quiz with other features like certificates or automation. Once everything is mapped correctly, hit import, and your quiz will be ready in no time. It's really that easy to get your quiz set up in LearnWorlds. But here's a quick heads up, while LearnWorlds is a solid platform, there are some limitations in terms of quiz customization, especially if you're looking to do something more advanced with your quizzes. And that's where our recommendation comes in. Stay tuned, because after this, we'll talk about some alternatives that may give you even more flexibility, especially if you're focusing on quizzes and assessments. Before we wrap up, remember that this video mentioned an exclusive, extended free trial for LearnWorlds. You can grab that through the link in the description below. But I also included a couple of amazing alternatives that can help you achieve your quiz goals even better. These alternatives come with their own free trials and exclusive benefits, only available to viewers like you through our link. Don't miss out. Check it out now.